Rata. And I can never take myself serious. Hello, I'm Laura Dominguez, and if you want to see how I did this makeup look with mostly Rare Beauty products, keep watching. Okay, that's the intro. Yo compré literally every single item that she has, not all shades though, because I'm not built like that. My wallet ain't built like that. The primer, I bought the mini version because no tengo cuarto. I mean, I never use primer. I have oily skin. It feels good. The moment that I start to feel my dog decides to start barking like a crazy ass, damn. Es como que ella tiene un sensor and she can tell when someone's busy. It actually feels really good. Usually primers to me leave like a tacky feeling. Y me deja como pegajoso. And I don't like that. 1 second. The second thing we're gonna try, foundation. I don't expect it to be a lot of coverage, but I'm gonna put a generous amount. This is literally my shade. For me to have picked it online, I'm pretty impressed. I'm gonna be using the brush, the foundation brush that she has. I'm so excited for this. This is literally first impressions. It's literally clean. I do see a glow. I am actually so in love with how it looks. I see some creasing over here, but like literally every single foundation that I own creases my smile line. The shade of my foundation is 310W, one with peachy tone. Now we have the concealer, 310W and concealer. So we'll see if this has enough coverage for my little dark spots. Dark circles.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down.
That is such good coverage to me. I feel like that is really good. So now we're gonna go with the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Joy. I think this is Selena's favorite, and I think that's why I got it. This is the applicator. Selena did say that they're they're really pigmented. She does like 3 dots. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is really pigmented. I like a clown.
Say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't slip away. It was simpler time.
That looks super nice. I forgot I had this dewy lip balm in the shade Thankful. The balm, and look how bougie it looks. It's really soft, and it does give me moisture and color. It smells like my mom's lipsticks when I was younger. Highlight in the shade Transcend.
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me.
Oof. Everything's gone so well, except for the little thing we did with the blush. Oh my god. I love that. Selena Gomez did this. She did this. Now I'm gonna set e.l.f. HD powder.
When you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders.
Now I'm gonna do bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula.
Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your.
Now we're going to do eyebrows. Those babies were not naturally thick, long, or with a shape, so I need to fill them in every single time, and Selena Gomez has a product for that. It has 2 sides. One is the pencil, and then the other one is the gel. This is the shade Soft Black.
Your head or your heart, I'll bet my life on you.
Literally a moment of silence for me to do my eyebrows.
Your stars, your
for your eyebrow. This is the ugly sister. This is the black sheep of the family. It does feel like a Crayola because of the waxy texture that it has. I'm gonna take a brush. I'm just gonna spread the product. Wow. I did that. Look at those eyebrows. Okay, I'm not gonna try it on, but I'm gonna show you the product. Rare Beauty eyeliner. It's a Perfect Strokes matte liquid liner. They did say that it was not as matte as they claim it to be. It's a little shiny. I am gonna show you in the back of my hand. Ooh. It's not spreading either. Did you see that? I'm literally going so hard. Do you see how red it got? And it's still the same. Now I'm gonna use the setting spray. Oh, it's called Always an Optimist. 4-in-1 mist.
Dancing on the moon.
Like de jengibre. Oh my god, it smells like de jengibre. That literally just brought me back to my mom. She makes a bomb de jengibre. Look at how glowy I look again. But I love it. Look how good. Oh, my makeup look. I need to make some plans for today because now me voy a poner el pintalabio. Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Exposed.
I've been my life. You'll be dancing on the moon.
It's really soft. I do think it's going to wipe off as soon as I take a drink or eat something or kiss someone. Oh my god. That looks so good. That looks so good. It is worth every penny that I spent. I'm obviously not rich and famous or an influencer to be sponsored by Selena or Rare Beauty. I wish, I hope one day I am able to do that, but as of right now, everything I spent is my own money for all of these products, and I am definitely so in love with them, and I cannot stress this enough. If you can, buy this product. I feel like my favorite product out of all of them, blush and the highlight and the lipstick. Like, this is matte and it's not dry on my lips. Liquid lipsticks, they always feel dry on my face, and I hate that because it feels like I can't move my face. And me being Latina, after all, I have a lot of face expressions, a lot. So moving my lips is one of them. But this one, I'm in love with it, and I love it so much. I love everything about this makeup collection. Like, this is my skin. And this is my face with Rare Beauty. So that was it for today's video. I am very nervous to post this, but I will anyway because what's the point? Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any video ideas, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments down below. Share with your friends. See you in next week's video.
Ooh,